Hello, my name is Philip Kibiso. I'm the Executive Director and Administrator for Mason Healthcare. Mason Healthcare is a nursing home and rehabilitation center located in Mason, Ohio. The facility has 53 beds, 10 being assisted living, 7 being private.
Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm the Rehab Director here at Mason Healthcare Center. We offer physical, occupational, and speech therapy services up to 7 days a week.
We are a 5-star facility. That means we are rated highly within the community and the hospitals prefer to send residents to us. One of our services that we provide, which our residents absolutely love, is Restore Skills.
Restore Skills has allowed us to provide a non-traditional approach to therapy that our patients can enjoy during their stay here. We've seen a very positive response from our patients, allowing them to experience interventions that are unique and a little more outside of the box. During this pandemic, it has allowed patients to continue to have a fun time with therapy despite experiencing the isolation that COVID has caused.
I think the games, the Restore Skills, are a lot of fun. My favorite is the Ski Saga. I would definitely recommend it to other patients because it allows you to challenge yourself and at the same time have a lot of fun. You're not even thinking of it as therapy, you're just having fun.
Restore Skills is definitely something that I would recommend as part of therapy to provide a different approach to allow the patients to take their mind off of therapy and have a fun time.
Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to having you in our community.